To find the main idea, you need to examine the text features such as captions, pictures, and titles, as well as the topic sentences of the body paragraphs. You also need to look for important details. As a reader, you need to be a detail detective and examine the details closely to determine which ones support the main idea. In the article, Women in Space, we already know the main idea. NASA is encouraging more women than ever to pursue careers related to engineering and space. Let's examine a paragraph and underline the important details. The Women at NASA program encourages young women to take science in school. Well, that seems important. Women from NASA visit schools across the country through virtual meetings. This is another important detail because it tells me what NASA is doing to encourage young women to pursue careers in science. Let's underline it. Students talk to engineers, trainers, mission controllers, and even astronauts. NASA has also developed a summer program for girls to explore internships, student employment opportunities, and future careers at NASA. Let's underline the last detail. We found 3 details. How do we decide which details from this paragraph are most important? The first detail is general, but this is the topic sentence, so it must be related to the main idea. The second detail is more concrete. It is an example of how NASA connects with young women. The third detail is another example of how NASA encourages young women. Look at what the details have in common. These details all talk about different ways women are encouraged to pursue careers at NASA. Once you find the main idea of a text, you need to determine which details actually support it. Supporting details are used to prove the main idea. We need to write the supporting details in our own words. Let's combine some of the information from the paragraph to make a supporting detail. NASA reaches out to young women through virtual meetings, summer programs, and internships to encourage them to pursue careers related to science. Does it support the main idea? Yes. Great work, detail detective. When we read informative texts, the supporting details are not going to jump right out at us. We need to use our reading and thinking skills to determine how to find the supporting details and how to communicate the details in our own words.